This is a pin socket connector. When you do soldering, especially on the narrow places, it is easy to miss the mark, and you end up making a mess like this. These are excessive solder on the pins, which you have to clean it up before using it again. I'm going to turn this into this, with a solder pump and a help from the multi-hand. To know exactly why it is important to use the multi-hand, let's do it without it first. I'm going to use just a solder pump to clean it up. This should be easy. Just place the pins here, melt the solder, get the pump near, then pump it. And it bounced off, which I expect that to happen, but I don't want it to happen. It's hard to work on things that doesn't stay still, because you can end up missing the mark. And if you take too long, you'll burn the plastic base. Imagine doing this 15 times. Hey wait, I am going to do this 15 times, because I got 15 messed up pins. I'm going to need some help. Meet the multi-hand. Move the flex arm down. Clip on the object, the other arm down, turn it to the right angle, and here we go. You can see that the connector barely moves at all, and if it does, you can tilt it at the point that is the firmest. To work comfortably, you might have to adjust the angle for each pin. With the flex arm, you can adjust the environment to match your comfort. I'm going to show you how clean and fast it can be when using the multi-hand to help to soldering. Please enlarge the video to see this clearly. There are 15 pins. The pins with black hole are clean. The one not black are still covered in solder. Right now, there are 11 pins that needs to be cleaned. Alright, let's get them all clean. As you can see, the pin that I desoldered has become a black hole. So that is another pin that has been cleaned. Alright, now I got all the upper pins. Now let's go to the lower pins. I'm going to flip the connector upside down. How about that? Clean as new. And it took only 2 minutes to clean. This video is just one of the many examples that the multi-hand can do. If you are working with electronics, the multi-hand is a must, because sometimes a little help can make you work a lot faster. Get your multi-hand today at www.cyberbread.com.